In this video, I will show how to convert your Google Sheets into Excel. So you have to click on File and work cursor to download and select here Microsoft Excel. There are some more options. So select Microsoft Excel. Once the downloading process complete, double click on that file to open it. So this is the way guys you can convert Google Sheets into Excel without losing quality. Thanks for watching.